In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in Wave accounting effectively. Reconciling your bank statements in Wave is an essential part of managing your business finances, helping ensure that your records in Wave align perfectly with your actual bank accounts. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and concise. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Reconciliation section in Wave. You'll find this option by looking at the left-hand menu of your Wave dashboard. Here, you'll click on Accounting, and then select Reconciliation from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where all your accounts are listed and where you can begin the reconciliation process. Now, select the specific account that you wish to reconcile. Once you've located the correct account, go ahead and click on Get Started. This button might be enticing, as it suggests moving forward with confidence. After that, you'll need to select Start Reconciling to initiate the process. With your account ready for reconciliation, it's time to enter the details from your bank statement. This is an essential step, so be sure to have your bank statement handy. Look for the pop-up window in Wave where you'll enter the ending balance date and the ending bank balance as shown on your bank statement. Accurate input here is crucial for a smooth reconciliation process, as it establishes the benchmark against which all transactions will be compared. Now comes the core of the process, matching transactions. Wave conveniently displays a list of transactions that need to be reviewed. For each listed transaction, compare it with the transactions on your bank statement. When you identify matching transactions, click the check mark to the right of the transaction. This signals Wave that the transaction has been reviewed and matched. Keep an eye on the Transactions Matched bar at the top of your screen. It's a handy visual indicator of your progress and will show you how close you are to completing the reconciliation. Depending on how the numbers align, you have two options for completing the reconciliation, automatically or manually. If you notice that your closing balance matches the matched balance displayed by Wave, you have the option to reconcile automatically. This option will save you time and clicks. However, if there's a discrepancy, continue carefully matching your transactions manually until everything aligns perfectly. Once you have matched all transactions and the difference is 0, it's time to end the reconciliation. To do this, simply click on the End Reconciliation button. This final step confirms that all transactions have been successfully reconciled and your books align with your bank statement, giving you peace of mind. By following these steps, you'll ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date, which is fundamental for good financial health. Thank you for watching, and happy reconciling.